What's wrong with your car? Well, the engine of my car isn't tuned. Can you lift the hood, please? Sure. I must have the engine tuned up. The car doesn't start. Maybe the starter is out of order. Its fuse burned out. Let me change it. Give it a little gas. Easy on gas. It burns oil. This man in this photo looks familiar. Could I ask you to tell me who he is? He is my father. Your father? Can you describe him more? Of course, he has a thin face with a long forehead. He has a long and bony nose. He is of average height and has fair hair and green eyes. Maybe he's one of my school friends. I had a close friend who just looked like him. Sorry, I missed that. My father? Yes, I had a best friend back in the 50s. We have always got on and never fell out. He was like a family member. We had a perfect time in our childhood. Unfortunately, we grew apart when his family had to live abroad. How sad. And have you been in contact since then? Yes, we kept in touch by letter and phone call. And by the way I went to China for a living, we weren't in touch anymore. Just some letters from me that he ignored. That's so disappointing. Surely. Anyway, his name is Jack. Isn't it? Yes, Jack Anderson. To be honest, I'm not sure about one thing. What is it? He hasn't aged a day. Has he? Yeah. Have you taken this picture recently? Yes, it was about a year ago. You're not serious. He still has a youthful appearance for someone over 60. To cut a long story short, it is for his healthy and active lifestyle. His healthy and active lifestyle? Definitely. Having a healthy lifestyle helps you to look younger than your age. Any other problems? One of the signal lights is broken, and the speedometer doesn't work correctly. Above all, the radiator is always boiling over. How long does it take to repair it? It doesn't need a major repair. You can get it back in 1 hour. Is it okay if I wait here? No problem. Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel, like, and share our videos.